Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today I'm sharing a formulation that I have been testing and working on for months now, and I'm so excited to share it with you. It is my long wearing cream eyeliner formulation. The consistency of this eyeliner is designed to be a easy to apply, happy medium, kind of middle ground between liquid eyeliner and stiffer, kind of traditional gel eyeliners. And this was inspired by an amazing eyeliner application tutorial from Jaime French, which I'll link in the description box below. But if you have challenges applying like winged liner, definitely check out her tutorial. Her tips and tricks have infinitely improved my eyeliner game. But yeah, a huge thank you to her for sort of explaining that importance of consistency, and I very much formulated this eyeliner to pair really beautifully with her techniques, so it's really pretty darn easy to apply and get good results eyeliner, as well as an eyeliner that wears really, really beautifully. The base of this eyeliner is TKB Trading's Mousse Medium. So this is a pre-formulated cosmetic base that's very, very versatile. So back in the summer, I shared a formulation to create long-wearing cream eyeshadows with it, and now we're using it to make long-wearing cream eyeliner. My initial eyeliner experiments were really simple, just mousse medium and pigment, but as I tested and refined the formulation to get something that applies beautifully the way that I wanted it to and that wears really well, I did end up incorporating some additional ingredients for improved wear, so additional film formers and then also additional ingredients that are just wonderful for adhesion. If you would like to read more about my development process, the different iterations I went through, and kind of why everything that's in here is in here, please make sure you are reading the full partner blog post, which is linked in the description box below this video. Making this is very simple. You make the base and then you can divide the base up and color it in a bunch of different ways. And so today I'm dividing the base in half and making a black eyeliner and a dark brown eyeliner. So you'll see the black eyeliner in action later on in the video with the wear tests. And right now I'm wearing the dark brown one. Cost-wise, making this eyeliner is really inexpensive. You can make 3 grams of eyeliner for roughly 85 cents US. Add on packaging and it's like around $1 depending on what you choose. For comparison, Bobbi Brown's gel eyeliner is about 28 US dollars for 3 grams. And 3 grams of eyeliner is a lot of eyeliner. It will last you a very, very, very long time. As always, please make sure you are reading the full partner blog post for this formulation as well as watching the video. It is linked in the description box below this video, or just go to humblebeeandme.com and search for the name of this formulation. The partner blog post has everything all written out, information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life. If you want to know more about the development process, why did I include this? What is it doing in there? Definitely read the blog post and look up the ingredients that you have questions about in the Humblebee and Me encyclopedia. I also have links to my book, Make It Up, The Essential Guide to DIY Makeup and Skincare. So if you are interested in making makeup, and especially if you are interested in making makeup with simpler ingredients than we are working with today, this is awesome. I'm very proud of it. Yeah, links to that in the partner blog post and the description box below too. But without further ado, let's go make this gorgeous long-wearing cream eyeliner. We'll begin by weighing out the mousse medium. We'll need 5.7 grams. If you haven't used your bag in a while, make sure you give it a good shake first because it can separate if it sits. So up next, we need 0.785 grams silicone gel. This one, I'm gonna kind of scoop out of little pouch, wipe it on the inside of this, and go from there. I recently shared a dupe for a Yves Saint Laurent product that uses this ingredient with my patrons. So if you're interested in that, please consider becoming a patron. It was their Touche Eclat Blur Primer. Up next, we need 1.26 grams of Film Fix. This is also a TKB Trading product. We need 0.075 grams silicone elastomer. This is definitely one of the trickier to weigh out ingredients because we need so little of it. So go slowly. The last 2 ingredients we need are 0.19 grams of each Magnesium Stearate and Magnesium Myristate, and both of these help with wear time. And then we'll add the Mousse Medium to everything else. So now we have our base and we can turn it into eyeliner. So this right here is enough to make 10 grams of eyeliner, which is so much eyeliner. The Bobbi Brown gel eyeliners is about 3 grams of eyeliner, and that's still a lot of eyeliner. So I'm going to divide this up and we're going to make 2 batches of eyeliner. So just grab the cup that we had the Mousse Medium in, and we're going to divide the base in half here. We're going to need 4.1 grams of base, and then we need for each of these 0.9 grams of pigment. So for this one, I'm gonna make this just straight black eyeliner. So we need 0.9 grams of black iron oxide, and definitely don't use black dye. I tried that and I dyed my hand kind of a gray color, and it lasted for close to 24 hours. So I'd read about it. It had said that dyes weren't recommended for eye makeup for that reason, and I thought, hey, let's try it anyways. And they were right. Glad I didn't try it on my eyes first. Give that a blend. I put out the branded coasters here so that you can actually see the little cups, because I was noticing that they were really disappearing into the pale tabletop. With that all nicely mixed together, sort of scooch that into center frame, and we'll transfer the eyeliner into a little jar. Whatever you choose, make sure that it's something that seals, that is airtight, because the product is volatile, and if given the opportunity, it will dry out. Our second eyeliner is going to be a dark brown, so it's going to be a blend of black and brown. I'm using this medium brown red iron oxide from Humblebee. So we need 0.9 grams total, so I'm going to do 0.4 grams brown and 0.5 grams black. For a bit of swatching, just kind of use the leftovers from our little tubs here. See, that dark brown turned out really nicely. Obviously, a cosmetic spoon butt is not the ideal application tool, but you can definitely get a feel for its creaminess and opacity. Oh yeah. So brown and black, and just straight black. We got 5 grams of each. And up next, definitely got to do a application demo and a wear demo so you can see how these beauties perform. Good morning. It is time to test our new eyeliner. So it is just shy of 9 a.m. I have washed my face and put on foundation, and I am using some of the Touche Éclat Blur Primer dupe that I mentioned earlier. So now we are going to move on to eyes. So we're going to start with a bit of primer. This one is the Photo Focus Eyeshadow Primer from Wet n Wild, which is delightfully inexpensive and very effective. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use a little bit of this cream shadow that I made, also using the TKB Mousse Medium. If you would like details on how to make this or make cream eyeshadow in any color your heart desires, I do have a whole video and blog post on that too, so definitely check that out. think that is good for the eyeshadow. Curl my lashes before we do eyeliner. All right, so now we are ready to apply some eyeliner. So we've got our eyeliner and our brush. So this brush is the 20/0 Petite Monogram brush from Michael's craft store. I learned about this brush and using this brush for eyeliner from Jaime French, who is a hilarious and very talented makeup YouTuber, and she's got a incredibly helpful tutorial on doing eyeliner. So I will link to that in the description box below. But it is really worth knowing that this formulation was developed with this brush, with my goal being generally to create a bit of a cat eye. Now, absolutely not to say that it won't work for other things, it absolutely will. But when it came to kind of the amount of like slip and glide that I wanted, I was working with kind of those parameters. If you would like it to be even slippier, you can add a little bit of isododecane or cyclomethicone or cyclopentasiloxane like you would do with the Inglot Duraline product, or you could just use Inglot Duraline to make it a little bit wetter. I'm just going to work with what we have in the lid, and I'm going to get uncomfortably close. I hope you can tell that this is just painting on so beautifully. And also, I'm hoping my hand and the mirror aren't just in the way all the time. Heck yeah. This brush makes that really so much easier than it ever has been with other brushes for me. Oh, sorry, I can tell I'm dipping in and out of frame. I'm obviously not used to applying my makeup on camera. So now it is about 8:57 a.m. My plan is to check in with you every 3 hours to see how this is wearing, with the aim of a solid 12 hours before I wash my face and head bedwards. Hello, it has been 3 hours. I spent most of that 3 hours writing the blog post for this formulation, so I highly recommend you give that a read. It is quite the doozy of a written meander through my formulation journey, but let's see how this eyeliner's doing. It looks pretty good to me. All right, it has now been 6 hours, so let's check in on this eyeliner. Still looks good to me. All right, it is just shy of the 9-hour mark. Let's take a look at how this eyeliner is performing. All right, that still looks awesome to me. I'm going to go pick up a very tasty sounding pizza from a local pizza place, and I will check in with you at least one more time before heading to bed. All right, we are just past the 12-hour mark now, and the pizza was great. Let's check and see how our eyeliner is doing a solid 12 hours after application. I am so pleased. And that's it. That's how you make your very own long-wearing cream eyeliner, plus a demonstration to show that it really does wear really long. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and please make sure you are reading the full partner blog post linked in the description box below this video to learn more about the whys and hows and general thinkings and experiments that went on behind the scenes in order to bring you this formulation. I'm really proud of it. I hope you're really excited about it. Happy making, and I'll see you next time.